Good morning, everybody. It's a Saturday morning. It's kind of very overcast today, but it's going to still be a beautiful day. I'm going to take you now to a new place where it's going to take a little drive, but we're going to head down towards San Clemente to a car meet called Cars and Coffee. So I've been asked like a really strange question just recently, you know, at another car meet, and people have been asking me like, you know, why do you do this? You know, what's the enjoyment out of this? And for me, it's kind of like it's self-explanatory. You know, one, I get to drive a really awesome, angry, sexy car. The GTR is just on a plane on its own. So I get to do that. Number two, I get to meet a whole lot of very cool people. I meet other people that have GTRs and other types of cars. And three, I get to go to these meets, a lot of meets, all over the place, and we drive together as a group, and man, we have such a blast. It is such a fun time doing this, where I really enjoy doing this, and I like sharing it with people, because people love seeing this. To them, it's kind of like very cool. They kind of like enjoy doing this. Hi. I like that. And so it's a lot of fun, and that's my explanation. Okay, so we made it to Cars and Coffee. We're here in San Clemente, and the parking lot is looking really good. So I'm gonna walk around over here, and I'm gonna show you guys a lot of really nice cars. I'm already in awe right now. This is like really nice. So let's get started so I can show you this stuff, okay? All right. So if I need to do an oil change, I don't need a ramp on this car. Check out what I mean. Now I'm going to show you a car that, here's one of the reasons why I like coming down to one of these events. I'm standing in front of a Packard 8. I haven't seen one of these in quite a long time, so I know you're going to appreciate this. Let me show you around the car. There seems to be some competition in the area right now, which is impressive. But I can't. This looks just like mine. It's an older year, but it looks just like mine. Tan interior, that's the difference. But let me show this to you. Still beautiful. I love GTRs. Now you remember in Fast and Furious 1, I think, where Paul Walker was racing with Dom, and they were going to the end of the train track, and they had to pass that train track, and Paul was in a Supra, Dom was in his muscle car, but even though this is not exactly the same Supra, but this is what it looks like. If you guys don't remember, I'm going to show you what this car kind of looks like. This was Cars and Coffee in San Clemente, and I really actually enjoyed this group too. A lot of good people, a lot of good cars. Everyone seems to be like really calm, cool, relaxed. They go over and have some lunch over at Ruby's. I mean, it's a really nice atmosphere. It's kind of like low-key and chill. I really enjoyed coming here today and being invited here today, and I'll probably come here again. I guarantee you that, and meet up with more people. There was too many people here today, and I was talking to way too many people, and so I'm sorry I didn't get a chance to really record a lot because I had to put the camera down. We were talking more personal things and having fun with people, but I will next time, and we'll kind of show you the interaction of what goes on with people in the cars and the conversations and stuff like that. So stay tuned, more to come.